Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. So, one of those people, I would assume, reported me for having chickens. I'm in the city, I knew the rules, but before I get to the homestead out of the city, I have learned an awful lot about chickens. There you go. I got the letter. Woohoo! So, as to whether I'm gonna give them away or turn them into meat birds, I don't know. But I figured as much. With the whole backyard open to the gentleman's club and to the establishment across the road. But it is what it is. I'm going to smile about it because I have learned a tremendous amount. I have everything I need for having chickens for when I get out to the country. So if I don't leave for a year, I got it all. I'll just have to give away the feed with the birds maybe, or something like that. But I have a few days, I think to the 29th. So I'll go talk to the city when I get a plan. So I did look at a house the other day, yesterday actually. So I had Sunday off. So I will make a plan. The house I just looked at, it's not exactly what I'm looking for. It's a beautiful price. It's a great offer. But with the floods they got out west, I do not want. It's a huge, huge marsh. Like the size of a nice sized lake. And the road goes right along the bank of it. So if we did get something like they did in Iowa, Nebraska, along the Mississippi, I wouldn't be able to get out of the area. I got a train, so I guess we're cutting it short. And have a nice sunny day.